All right, guys, nothing says summertime like good old-fashioned hot dogs, but let's kick it up a notch. Them bad boys are gorgeous. Toss you a cast iron skillet on the smoker. Got some diced onions there. This is 1 pound of beef brisket. We're going to use those patties to make our chili. Just going to grind it up and let it brown up. Toss in a pack of taco seasoning, some diced tomatoes, some green chilies, now let's throw some dogs together, 1 weenie to 2 pieces of bacon. Kick it up a notch with your favorite barbecue seasoning. I put my dogs on skewers because I'm lazy. Let's build these dogs. Look at that. Load them down with some chili real good. Add some cheese and a little bit of mustard. Started off at 300 degrees, kicked it up to 350 when I added the hot dogs. Give this a try sometime. You're gonna love it. It's quick and easy.